Welcome to Cambodia. We've just arrived at the airport. Got a friend meet us as well. He came all the way from the city to meet us here. And now, after a long day of traveling, well, tomorrow begins a new day. Wow, first impressions. Not too much hard sell on the taxis. Very clean, very warm. 33 degrees and the sun has already gone down. I spoke too soon about the hard sell. But very clean, very good first impression. Wow. Is marijuana legal here? I'm already smelling it. We haven't left the airport yet. Check it out, our first Cambodian restaurant experience. Look at this. Here's the expert. He's like, you gotta eat this. Oh, sorry, carry on. I'm just narrating in the background. He's like, you gotta eat this. This is what we all eat here. So let's see what he's suggesting. Meatballs, some noodles, some broth. It's pretty good. And here's our table. Look at this. Wow. Alright, feast is arriving. We have, I already forgotten, Sao Mai, I think it's called. Cantonese style. It might be a beef ball in there, I'm not sure. I think that looks like yuca. And I have Hai Nan Mi Phan, Cambodian style chicken on rice. Looks like a bit of chili. And what could be cucumber or squash? Cucumber. That's very nice. And here we have rice noodles, beef, bit of lettuce.
Yeah, rice noodle with beef.
Oh, and a bit of chili.
This is topping.
Topping. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Lots of stuff coming in.
Wow.
Oh, you dip it in. You dip the yuca.
Looks so tasty, man.
You dip the yuca. What is that? That's beef.
Whoa.
Yeah, it looks like a beef ball.
Wow.
Oh, you can little beef soup there. Look at that. Okay, we're in a little mart right now, a supermarket. It's in the city, so it might be a bit more expensive than usual, but everything is in local currency and US dollars. We're in an import aisle right now, so you're probably going to recognize a lot of things, especially if you're from the UK, and especially if you're from America. Even Mexico, menudo. Well, so yeah, look, insane, right? $4.64. So there's imports. So we need to get away from the imports. I'm guessing this must be a touristic area because, I mean, woo, it's more than Walmart, right? Let's see if we can find something else, perhaps. Yeah, number one thing about traveling, especially if you get an apartment rather than a hotel, is you can get some of the local veggies because they're the cheapest things you're gonna buy. And they're super healthy and tasty. Look at that. 20 cents for 2 big cabbages. Or the mega cabbage for 65 cents. And if you have a hankering for chicken feet, $1.31. Look at that. Or you can be less brave and get some hip bone skinless chicken. Not a bad price, is it? Look at these guys. Whoa. Alright, wow. Got quite a mix of things here. We've got some duck eggs. Quail eggs. But yeah, I think local cuisine is the way to go. I think that's where you're gonna get a better sort of deal. It looks like anything pre-packaged must be imported because prices are a little crazy. Yeah, check this out. Put some American bags to shame. Wow. Yeah, look at this singular apple, $2.03. I think we picked the wrong market. $8.77. Alright, we might need to get out of here. I just see something really funny though. They have own brand supermarkets. So Morrison's is a brand in the UK. It's usually around 49p, I think, for that one. But they have like Australia's. They have everything. They must import this from so many different countries. I'm so surprised. But they even have the country flags. Okay, yeah, we're in some weird tourist market. Okay, well, at least you had a glimpse, and yeah, we will find another market for a different video. Yeah, check this out. Look, 20 cigarettes for $1 US. Ain't that crazy? In the UK, that's pushing £20, which is got to be over $25, $26, $27. It's insane. Wow. Yeah, and get this, the supermarket is cash only with these crazy tourist prices. There's a lot of flies here. Look at this. They're all trying to attack me. What's going on? So here's an ATM. I'm thinking this might be quite common. They have the local currency. But my friend said, who lives here, if you want to pay for something quite expensive, you need to pay in US dollars. So he carries both currencies in his wallet. There's the ATM fee, $5 US to get 100. Tuk-tuk experience. Can you take this? Yeah. Alright, we're in. And if you ever wondered what the Cambodian tuk-tuk looks like, we have a little boot space. Look at this. Cool, isn't it? And yeah, advise not to stick your phone out the window, otherwise you might be going home with maybe no phone, so I guess be careful. Wow. Yeah, it's interesting. You go outside and there's a stark contrast between what you see on the streets and what you see in certain other areas. It reminds me a lot of Jakarta, actually. A very sort of big poor-rich divide. Here's an example, a huge shopping mall, everything new, Samsung electronics, all this fancy stuff. It's not very busy, right? It's not very busy. but outside I saw them selling pig's feet just 10 meters away with no shoes on. It's definitely an interesting first impression, which I've noticed within like one day of being here. It's quite interesting. Maybe in 10 years these places are going to be huge. Maybe I picked the wrong day, who knows? Just an observation. Oh, this is the first night out in Cambodia. Let's see what happens. I've already seen a lot of bars and a lot of street food. I think we ended up in a tourist district. That never normally happens. Oh wow. Alright, let's see. Yeah, look at this. Well, we have a local with us. We always have locals with us because we meet people all the time, and we're in a community, so we're always hanging around with local safe people, which a lot of people don't. So I guess we have always have a pretty good advantage with them. So we're going to a local bar and having a little look at a local Cambodian bar. Alright, yeah, check it out. We found Pink Panther already. Where is he? So, you know what? There's a lot of tourists here. I just came from China and I didn't really see many tourists at all, unless we went to Beijing right in the center. Even then it was quite scarce. I've seen a lot here. Look, Pink Panther, little frog. Wow. Oh, music. Alright, we got rid of the music. The music's a killer. Alright, wow. It's just bar after bar after bar. Oh, she's got some sandwiches there. That looks pretty good. Oh yeah, wow, look at all the decorations here. Look at this. It's a mixture of street food and bars. And lots of tourists. Oh wow. Oh, he's fast asleep. Look, he's waiting to take people on their journeys later. What our friend was telling us, a lot of places here only open at night time and go all the way through till 6 a.m. and that is like restaurants, food, bars as well. So it's a very nighttime place, and I think that plays into the fact that the weather is very hot in the daytime as well. I used to live in Las Vegas. It's exactly the same. You go out at nighttime to avoid the sun, and all of a sudden your hobbies and interests mimic that. Wow, look at all these scooters. Look, you probably pay him a little bit of money and your scooter can go in the middle. Imagine if you put it in the middle and you really need to go home. Wow. You're curious about random prices here. Everything's in US dollars at $7.50 a burger. A cocktail, $6.50, $6. So you get a nice. Oh, we found a bar. You can actually hear yourself in here. Feels like a jazz bar, doesn't it? And let me show you the menu. Here we go. Check this out. Mike Tyson, Napoleon, The Godfather, Marilyn Monroe. Is that Bruce Lee? Oh, it actually says in English. Never mind. Charlie Chaplin. Look at that. Oh, you get an idea of the prices. Look how strong The Godfather is. 24%. Yeah, English everywhere. Look at this. There you go. They are the prices of an average night out in the capital of Cambodia. Wow. Yeah, so I got this one. It's a Hanuman Cambodian beer. Oh, wait. There we go. It's a bit dark in here. Apparently it's a very nice Cambodian beer. It says finest German brew. I think they love to put German and European things on there to give it like prestige or something, but it's a Cambodian beer, and I think it tastes pretty good.
Okay. Then I ate again. We ate lok lok tonight. And there's the soup.
Not bad. He tricked us. Scream tricked us. He brought us here for drinks, and he got a soup. he got a Cambodian soup.
Cambodian
Unbelievable. We're drinking alone. We're drinking alone.
Like a man.
For many years of friendship, Lizzie. For many years of friendship and more events to come. Let's go.
Yeah, it's getting even busier at midnight, but it's crazy. So many tourists here. It's a tourist district. Wow. Wow. Budweiser, not Bud Light. We must not be in America. Wow, what a night. Probably see you tomorrow.